Next, we will demonstrate how the XstreamCORE 9400 is monitored through the ATTO RToptimizer. The ATTO RToptimizer delivers real-time performance analytics of your 9400 controller solution. ATTO xCORE Analytics allows users to dig deeper and provides inferences to quickly understand and correct potential problems without performance penalties or specialized debugging tools, all while bundled into a dynamic, user-friendly, and customizable GUI. The RToptimizer will also provide information regarding drive latency, Ethernet statistics, NVMe drive statistics, and general drive, controller, and enclosure health. This is the main dashboard for the RToptimizer. The 3 gauges along the top measure throughput, IOPS, and controller-induced latency, which we can see here is sub 2 microseconds, the best in the industry. We look forward to working with you to grow your NVMe over Fabric solutions by efficiently applying resources to get products to market faster, seamlessly integrate with your existing interfaces, and leveraging years of ATTO xCORE data acceleration development for industry-leading performance. Thank you for joining us today.